kuna hizi products BF Zuma Medical Clinic yenye iko along Nairobi and Kitengela in Kajiado. So my people, hii clinic ya Bizuma is a private company yenye iko na dawa za kutosha na itaweza saidia wale wote wagonjwa, na products zao ni hizi. In case kama mko na mgonjwa home, mgonjwa mahali popote pale, utaweza ni reach through SMS, through call, ni kushow directives tukinge magonjwa yote kutumia Bizuma products. Is a good company, na watu wako na uaminifu, na watu wenye ni skill and learned personnel wenye wako na capability ya kufanya wagonjwa wapone kutumia products zao kama diabetes, lungs cancer, such kinds of diseases. Tutaweza saidika tu pia. Yes, ni Amigo Live Show. Trust from my side iko juu sana, iko high rated. Thank you.